Hello students, welcome back with the new lecture. Today we are going to start the fourth part of chapter 2 and today we will be finishing our chapter. So let us start. Till now we have studied lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Today we are going to study the fourth important part, that is biosphere. Students, the part of lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere where the living world exists is known as biosphere. Biosphere is one of the important sphere of the earth. Students, it is only the earth in solar system which have biosphere. Biosphere includes vegetations, plants, crops, all these things are included in vegetations. Food which we get, fruits which we get are included in vegetations. Animals, insects and human beings, all these are included in biosphere. Students, we obtain food and many other necessary things from biosphere. We cannot live without vegetation and animals. Each of us are interdependent to other. Students, biosphere is the base of our living and existence. It is divided into two parts, that is non-living part and living part. In non-living part, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere is included, while in living world, human beings, animals, microorganisms, etc. are included. Now, we will study the effects of human activities, the activities which we carry out in our day-to-day life. What is the effect of it on all these spheres that we are going to study. So let us start. Students, we human beings, either knowingly or unknowingly carry out many different activities in our day-to-day life for our development. These actions or these activities which we carry out causes imbalance in the spheres, and because of this the balance of different spheres is threatened. Students, now let us see which different activities of human beings which causes imbalance. The first one is underground nuclear testing. Students, many different countries carry out nuclear testing in their respective country so that it may be helpful for the future wars. Then drilling for mineral oils also we carry out in our respective countries so that it may be helpful for our development. Many different countries drilling of tube wells. Even in India we carry out drilling of tube wells so that we get underground water. Now students, all these activities, underground nuclear testing, drilling for mineral oil, excessive drilling of tube wells, all these activities causes or it affects lithosphere and causes imbalance. Then dumping of waste from the villages and cities along with the industrial waste into the water body pollutes hydrosphere. The oil which spills from boat or ships, the disposals of industrial waste and chemicals into the water This all causes destruction of marine life, which is highly dangerous for hydrosphere. Now students, harmful gases which is emitted by industries, workshops, power stations and vehicles pollutes air. Areas with the higher frequency of vehicle show increased rate of carbon monoxide in air. The amount of carbon dioxide in air increases due to cutting of trees. All this causes imbalance in atmosphere. Now because of cutting of trees, carbon dioxide increases in the air, and because of the increase in the carbon dioxide in air, heat also increases in the atmosphere, and because of the increasing heat, polar caps, ice caps, polar caps, glaciers have started melting because of these heats. Likewise, there are many such activities of human beings which affects biosphere. Not only biosphere, it also affects many spheres in our day-to-day life. And because of this, we are watching many unknown diseases are prevailing in our environment, in our atmosphere. So this was all for today's lecture. Hope you have understood these 4 lectures and gone through these 4 lectures so that you may understand properly. If not gone through these lectures, please go through it, watch it once more so that you may understand it properly. We will be back with new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe.